yes guys, welcome back to Shifting Gears. As you can see, we've got a Fabia VRS today, VRS Fat. So it is a modified car, it's a tuned car, running about 180 brake, 170 brake. So yeah, it's a bit different. First time we've had a diesel on the channel. It's a modified car, so yeah, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, we'll show you some drive-bys of the car, sound checks, take you guys out in it, get the owner on, tell you a bit more about the car. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get straight into this video.
As you guys can see, like we said, we've got a VRS in today. This is stage one, I believe, pushing about 170 to 180 brake with about 300 Newton meters, which is obviously, for a light car like this, it's crazy. It's a PD 130, guys, so as you know, it's a dirty diesel. But like, I've never actually sat in one of these before, so it's gonna be the first time. Obviously, like I said, I heard a lot of good things about these cars. A lot of people big them up, so like I said, it's a really nice, clean example. We've got it all in black here. But like I said, we'll go through all the modifications in a minute with you. We'll show you guys the owner. Owner will give you a bit more of a rundown exactly what he's done to it and how long he's had it. But yeah, like I said, guys, can't wait to get inside, guys, and show you what this car's about.
So guys, we have Julian here with his VRS. Thank you for coming on the channel.
No, really, that's all right, man. It's all right still.
Do you want to just tell us a bit more about the car?
Yeah. It's a 2003 Skoda Fabia VRS, PD 130 for all the boys out there. Got the car in March, done pretty much a mini restoration on it, from like most things underneath, track rod ends, drop links, CV boots, bigger front brakes, front mount intercooler. The exhaust is yet to be changed, but she still sounds all right, you get me?
Yeah, we'll give you guys a sound check in a minute as well.
Definitely. It's got a stage 1 map on it with a dirty popcorn limiter for all the fans.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, she's been good to me as far.
Yeah.
Wanted to get it on the channel because before I got it, I'd look through the internet, wouldn't see much content on them at this level. So I thought, you know what, get it on the channel for all the PD boys.
Yeah, that's it, man. There's not really many PDs out there on YouTube.
This is it, man, to be fair. They're all hiding away, man. They're all hiding away.
That's what I mean, man. We thought we'd get this on the channel.
That's it,
take you guys out in it, show you what the car's about, man.
Definitely.
What are your future plans with it, bro?
To be fair, I want to go bigger turbo. It's what we call a 2260 turbo. And end goal maybe 300 brake. Maybe, just maybe. But as I say, we've spoke off cam. And when it does happen, I'll bring it back. We'll do a part 2 so people can see standard turbo, like maxed out essentially, and then the bigger turbo variant on the same car, so you get the both sides of the picture in it.
I know. Do you have to forge the engine then, or would that be
to be fair, that should be sort of later on down the line if you really wanted to push it big power or such. But I feel like up to 300 brake, there's no need to forge it. I think the only thing is, I think past 250, 260 brake, you need bigger injectors, maybe bigger cams and things like that, but that's about it.
It's looking clean, man. The car's looking nice.
She's alright, to be fair. Main thing that I've done recently is the front bumper, wide mouth front bumper. That's been sprayed by my good boy Chad. Literally driveway jobby, but looking at it, you wouldn't really tell, to be fair. You
can't really tell, to be honest. Like,
really happy with that.
It matches like
100%.
all the other panels as well.
She's nice, man. She's nice.
I like the plate as well.
VRS flat, man. To be fair, that's what stands out to a lot of people.
Yeah,
man.
like the plate, it looks really good, man.
It sets it off, man. The voice of the private plate sets off a car, don't it, man? So
yeah.
And then, as I say, it's had the bigger front brakes put on. Shout out to ND Auto Care and Kia that works there.
Yeah.
For all my mechanical work, it's them ones that have been looking after me still.
What discs and pads are you running on that?
Mintex, I believe they're 312mm Jordan Groove discs and
Yeah.
Mintex pads.
Yeah, so we've got good stopping power.
That's
yeah.
it, man. Yeah, plenty to be fair for the power it's running now.
That's it, man.
And then on the inside as well, I hate the standard seats in these.
Yeah.
So I've got some Mark II Leon FR levers.
Yeah, they look good, man.
Really
They're
comfy.
like bucket seats, and
That's it. They hug you really nice.
That's it, man.
I've got the back ones to put in yet. That's on the list, the never-ending list. But yeah,
Yeah.
that's interior. It's a nice place to be for an older car, to be fair.
Yeah, it doesn't really look that old, to be fair.
That's
like,
it. I think
looks,
it's aged up. It's aged alright.
It's
in my
aged
opinion.
well, I know,
Yeah,
I know.
that's it.
But yeah, I say we jump in the car now, bro.
Yeah,
and
man. 100%.
go for a spin.
100%.
So yeah, guys, we're in the car now with Julian. Like I did say, this is the first time I've actually sat in a VRS. And I've heard a lot of good things about this car. So, like I said, man, it's going to be really interesting to see what the PD is about, man. But like I said, Julian, you said you've had the car for about a year. Did you say that?
Give or take, well, it'll be a year in March. So
Yeah.
7-8 months.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, it's been nothing but a blast, to be fair.
Yeah, that's how cars are, innit?
Yeah, it's fun.
Chucking money at them.
It's fun, yeah.
Yeah.
Always something, you know what I mean? Always something.
You mentioned you had an FR as well, innit?
Leon FR, yeah. Mark II facelift, so it was running the Mark 6 Golf GTI engine.
Okay.
But that had a few engine issues, catastrophic timing issues, as per usual of those.
Yeah, yeah.
And then that's pretty much where this come along. We come along at a point where I lost faith in cars, if you get where I'm coming from. I sort of give up with them.
Yeah.
And I was expecting to be sat in like a 1.2 Fiesta, or not slating them or anything, but I was expecting to be.
Something a bit different though.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
You'd expect to be like obviously from that.
That's it.
Wouldn't want to be sitting in that.
This is it, bro. And then my mate called me down, big up Jake and Dan. They put a few of these. It says, yo, drive mine. Drove it, fell in love with it. They got this one. This is another funny story about this car. They brought this one as a breaker, so they brought it with a blown turbo. No history. We've got no history of the car or anything. And I said, yo, I'll have it. Add it and just bit by bit chipping away at it, put it back on the road.
That's how cars are though.
This is it.
Yeah,
This is it. Good thing with these though is it don't cost an awful lot of money to do and to get to a decent daily
Parts
standard.
everywhere available.
Parts everywhere.
Yeah, it's
bro.
like one of them cars like the Fiestas.
This is it.
Like there's parts available everywhere.
This
so
is it.
Let's say worst case if it was to go wrong, you've got
options. You've got a lot of options.
100%. Like for the age of the car, it's 2003. You said, isn't it?
2003 reg, yeah.
Being inside and outside, you wouldn't think it's a
It's not
2003
bad, is it?
car.
Honestly, it's not bad.
it's like it's kind of. What would I say? It's like kind of still up to date.
Yeah,
To what modern
yeah.
cars are.
This
like
is
you
it.
wouldn't sit here and like I said, like you wouldn't think that it's a 2003 car.
This is it.
It's a genuinely nice place to be.
It's a
and
nice
like I
place
said,
to be at.
It's quick as well, so obviously you got that fun.
It ticks most of the boxes as a daily mounter, to be fair. It's fun, reliable.
Are you daily as well? You said that.
Yeah, yeah.
We can get around. Yeah, that's it. You can hear the limiter smashing.
Yeah. You get the saying now, pause like a train.
It does.
Do you get where it is?
You know what it is? The difference between this and what I'd say like our cars because it's petrol. When you put the foot down, you got a lot more torque, haven't you?
This is it.
So there's not that like little lag at the start.
This
it's
is
just
it.
straight power.
This is it. So
it
back
feels
down.
more raw in it.
Yeah, so now back into third.
Yeah.
Pausing, yeah.
It's strong.
Honestly, yeah.
It's really strong. You can feel the torque as well.
It's consistent as well,
Yeah.
isn't it?
It doesn't like fall off anywhere in it.
This is another thing in my Leon. I
Yeah.
felt like towards top of the rev range it fell off.
Yeah.
Slightly. I don't know whether that's just me, but this generally it's all
Just-
there.
yeah,
all
it's
there,
everywhere.
always there.
It revs all the way to 4.5, is it?
About 4.5. Yeah, maybe a bit lower. But
Yeah. It sounds good though, man, when you're smashing
just
out.
done it.
the
Yeah, it
limiter.
does. I feel bad for
Sounds
people
really
behind me sometimes. Like, you know what I mean?
No cloud of black smoke.
Yeah, I
innit?
swear. Yeah.
It's not hanging about with this.
Nah, it gets up and goes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It gets up.
She gets up and
Gets
goes.
up, like, looking at the speed on it, it's just going, man.
Happily in it. Yeah.
We've got a lot of right lane hoggers today.
This is it, man. This
It's
is
just
it.
trying to give you guys a little
Fourth gear, flat in fourth.
guys, yeah, I don't want to mention no speeds, but we are like getting off. I see what the hype's about with these cars. Like I said, this is my first time actually reading one of these, and from a Fiesta SD, like I said, like
It's a complete different.
It's a completely different thing, man, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And it just takes the abuse as well. Like, it takes the beating. Like
that's one thing these cars are known for as well. They can take a beating, innit?
They take a beating.
You got traction control on?
Off in a minute.
Oh, is it off? I was going to say, yeah.
Rule number 1, traction control off.
I didn't expect that though.
It's right,
I'm going sideways,
it's
bro.
right, but it handles it well. It's like a double bell car. Point and squirt, like.
Insurance bill up on as well?
To be fair, around 250 a month, so just under £3 grand a year.
Yeah, not too bad.
So 23-year-old lad.
Yeah, same as us really.
That's it.
Same age, isn't it?
That's it.
How much you can pick them up for?
Yeah, to be fair, you can pick up one with a few issues for around £1 grand. Looking at the
value for
moment,
money, you got to think, bro.
this is the
One
next
that you're
thing.
having with this.
100%.
You're not breaking the bank, innit?
This is it.
You know what I mean?
It was like the Leon. I was scared to push it as hard to push this in the sense of if I break it.
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, it's not going to be a cheap bill or a cheap fix.
That's the thing. Yeah.
So, value for money at the end of the day, innit?
That's it.
I think a good clean one of these, or you could pick up for between 3-4 grand, being very clean.
Yeah,
lower mileage.
Yeah. Roads is where these cars are really fun.
This is it, bro.
It's like
Yeah.
Like, okay, cool, on straight roads they are fun, but when you chuck them on a corner, bro,
That
like,
you can,
you know what I mean?
You either make or break it. You know what I mean? production kit or anything, and I love the stupid turbo noises.
Yeah, how does it make that sound then?
To be fair, I couldn't tell you.
Yeah.
At this moment in time, no.
It sounds good though, man. Like, spools up, innit?
Yeah,
And you let off as well.
What's you man's plans for like your cars next, or if you're not sort of?
Not too sure.
Not decided.
We're thinking to get like bigger turbos, innit?
Okay.
KL3 and stage 3, but it's a lot of money in it, bro.
That's the thing.
That's the thing, like.
If it's the engine to take it as well, don't you?
That's the other thing as well, isn't it?
So it can easily blow up as well.
Yeah, like, it's a big risk in it, but they'd be quick though, around 300
Oh
brake.
yeah, 100%.
They'll be rapid, man, like, because the cars are light as well, so.
That'll be nice, man. Do you know what, if you do it, once this is done, that and this and the Force man would be a good run. I think,
Yeah,
you know,
it'll be great, yeah.
Very good run, bro.
They'll be like similar.
Very good run. 100%, bro. Very panty.
Yeah.
Very panty.
Like a go-kart, man.
Yeah. Honestly,
Genuinely is like a go-kart.
very panty.
So that was it today for the VRS, guys. Like you guys seen, I don't need to talk too much. The car speaks for itself. It's a really underrated car, man. And like I said, I didn't expect it to be this quick when we sat inside. And it's a bit more of a different experience. Like I said, it's a diesel. So obviously we drive petrol cars. So jumping in a diesel car was a change, and it's the first diesel on the channel. But my overall impression of the car was that I'm telling you guys it's a sleeper, because we're going to get Julian back on the channel again. We're going to be getting a stage 3 on it as well next year from Julian, so we'll be having him back on the channel. But like I said, guys, make sure you guys drop us a like and a subscribe. If you want car feature on the channel, make sure you guys hit us up on our Instagram. But yeah, big shout out to Julian, and thank you for coming down, bro. I'm going to put Julian's TikTok and Insta in the links. So make sure you guys go drop him a follow, man. He's a sick lad, and like I said, man, we had a lot of fun and it was vibes as well. So honestly, guys, like I said, make sure you guys drop us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.